Hey everybody, how y'all doing today? It's the DIY Beamer guy. Today we're gonna be talking about my E53 X5 3.0, and I'm having a fuel issue. It cut off on me the other day. I got it to cut back on. I made it home, but I'm getting these codes. Misfire detected with low fuel. Ambient temperature. Low fuel. Too lean. Fuel level sensor circuit A. I checked in the fuel pump and there is no gas in there, but it says I got a quarter tank of gas. So I'm gonna check the other side to see if there's some fuel in there to give me a better idea of what's really going on. I know that I can hear the fuel pump pumping, so I know the pump works, but I'm really starting to think that the level sensor on the fuel pump on the passenger side don't work. But okay, here we go. First thing first, you just pop the seat up. It's two of these things, one on each side. Pop it up. I threw it up there. I threw it over the back seat. And I got that held up by the string. See, I already got this fuel pump out. There ain't no gas in there. I'm gonna show y'all how to get this out. 10 millimeter, 4 of them. They're all point straight up. And all we got is this and the hose. See, I just replaced this, so this comes with this kind of clip. And it's kind of difficult to get off, but screwdriver, you can pop that off. Be careful. You can break the tip. There's just 2 clips on there. You push it. Pull it out. I think this is 7 millimeter on here. Look, and my pump ain't working. I'm not seeing gas to the other side of the tank. I don't know. I don't know why this don't work. Let me go. Whew. Almost. Plenty of gas in it. Yeah. Man, that's not a lot of gas. I don't know. But that's how you do it. Real easy. I'll show you guys how to put it back on in a minute. Okay, we are replacing the fuel sender unit. Sad E53. First thing I want to do, take this gasket off and put it inside the tank. There's another rubber gasket around here. You want to put this around there first to make it a whole lot easier. We're gonna take this part, pull it up. We're gonna stick it in here. Click there, heard the click. Set it down in there. A little arrow right here for the whip. Want to make sure it lines up where you need it. Feels tight. I hit it a couple times with a screwdriver. It's tight. I'm gonna put this hose back on there. I think you break that the regular pump. That's going. Get you some regular pump. On this. I'll tighten that up with a 6 mil. It's tight. Hold it back up. Put the arrow to the back. And go back to the front. 10 millimeters. drop the seat down. You know what I mean? Hope it all works out for you.